So if you're single, chances are you're not having the kind of romantic success with the kinds of women that you most desire. The vast majority of men find it a lot more difficult to be their authentic, charming self with the women that they're most interested in. Most of us end up playing transparent, cool guy roles that at best seem like every other guy that she's met, and at worst, come across as insecure and creepy. You probably already know that women hate it when men try to play Mr. Super Nice Guy in exchange for attention. Oh, here, let me get that. Let me buy you a drink, flowers, a car, let me pay your rent. Obviously, women don't respect that guy. And the women that are willing to make that kind of trade with some rich guy are frankly pretty uncommon, mostly found in strip clubs. Most women hate it when you try to buy them. They don't want to be bought, not with nice, not with your money. They don't want to be bought with social status. They don't want to be bought with your scintillating sense of humor, not your giant biceps, your brilliant conversation, your coolest guy in the room attitude. Did I leave anything out? Probably. The bottom line is that we men usually looking for what we can trade for her sexual affection. We're monitoring for just the right thing to say to make her like us. And that's not actually how women's deep attraction mechanism works at all. The higher quality the woman, the more desirable she is, the more options she's got, the more she's willing to hold out for something that actually does trigger her deep attraction and her emotions. She's looking for the man she can trust with her heart. She doesn't have to settle for less. Pickup lines are cute, she may laugh, but if you can't follow it up with something real, then you're just not that guy. And the good news is, once you understand how to break this pattern, you'd be amazed at how fast you can turn things around. You really can enjoy passion, fun, sexual surrender, authentic emotional connection with the kind of girl that you really want, the kind you only dreamed of in the past, once you know how. But figuring out how can be a little bit tricky. And that's why I spent the last several months creating this free, scientifically designed love assessment quiz to help you quickly and easily identify the one solution that's going to make the biggest difference for you and your dating life and turn frustration into success, ease, sexual fulfillment. It's a powerful tool and it's gotten great results for my private clients, and it could give you exactly the deep insight you need to get a powerful and different result in your life. If you're ready to discover the number one obstacle that you've had to respect, attraction, and the woman that you deserve, or even if you're just a little bit curious, then click here right now and try the free quiz for yourself and get a custom-tailored prescription for quickly and easily getting control over your romantic destiny. It could be a profound game changer for your love life.